Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bluetooth to a Ford Escape. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned on. Next, grab your mobile device and make sure its Bluetooth setting is enabled. Then, navigate to the sync system on your Ford Escape's dashboard. You'll want to access the main menu to begin the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Once in the sync menu, select the option to add device or pair device. Your Ford Escape will then search for available Bluetooth devices. On your phone, select your vehicle from the list of found devices. A unique PIN will appear on both your phone and the sync screen. Confirm these numbers match. Finally, grant permission for your contacts and messages to sync if prompted. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy several convenient features. Make hands-free calls using voice commands or the sync system controls, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly from your device through the car's speakers. Manage your Bluetooth settings and connected devices easily through the sync interface. If you encounter persistent issues, consider restarting both your phone and the Ford Escape sync system. Sometimes, deleting old pairings from your sync system can free up space for new devices and resolve connectivity problems. For those who love to read on the go, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Remember, a stable Bluetooth connection enhances your driving experience significantly, making your journeys more enjoyable and safer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.